everybody. I am checking in with you. I am at my favorite place, as you can see, or one of my favorite places, and that's actually a Starbucks, drinking my favorite meal, which is my favorite drink, which is white chocolate mocha with soy milk and 3 Splendas. And before anyone says anything, I know Splendas are really bad for you, but I like my drinks pretty sweet. But I'm starting off my week just reflecting and thinking about my brother as always. And you guys continue to encourage me during this journey of not having him here with us anymore. But he will forever live in my heart and in our family's heart. And we are going to make sure that his legacy continues of all the wonderful things that he has done for so many people. But I am starting up this video to say that his grandchild, his first grandchild that he was waiting to see, actually was born today. And just thinking about life's journey and the different things that happen for us to help us to keep moving forward. And although he's not here to see the wonderful birth of this new baby girl who is absolutely beautiful, we're going to love her so much, and though she will not know her grandfather, she's going to know her grandfather through our eyes and through all the wonderful stories that we're going to share with her, and then with all of the love that we know he will be giving her, and we're going to shower her with so much love. So baby Rain, welcome to the family. I am looking forward to meeting you today. I am coming down and just looking forward to being your great aunt is who I am to you. So I love you before I even get to know you. And I look forward to seeing you soon. So I'm going to take you guys with me today to meet baby Rain and her mom and her dad. And so anyway, I'm going to take you guys with me. I just wanted to share with you how I'm starting off my day. I actually just did a quick photo shoot, so you do see me with a tad bit more makeup on, although in this light you really can't tell, and I'm sort of light-handed from wearing makeup. But I just did a quick photo shoot of some headshots that I needed to take for a couple different things. But so anyway, I finally did that today, and I did my own makeup. I probably should have had someone do the makeup for me, but I didn't. So hopefully the pictures come out okay. Something else that I had to do today, next on my list, this is just a day of running around getting some things done. I've had my final step of my dental implant surgery today, so I am going to the dentist when I leave my Starbucks drink today. So that's something else on my list. So I'm probably not going to be able to talk much after 2 o'clock today, but I want to let you guys know that's something else on my list. Just doing my best to stay on top of the dental work, the things that we hate doing, but unfortunately the necessary things. So but anyway, that's something else for today. So let's go. Morning. Well, you can see I actually can talk now. After getting my dental surgery process yesterday, I am happy to say things are on its way to amends. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling better today. I am actually now on my way to see my sorry for the wheel turning. I am on my way to see my great niece that I'm so excited to meet for the first time. And as promised, I'm going to take you with me this morning. And it's actually been a very nice drive today. I left super early this morning, so it's been about a 4-hour drive because of traffic on 95, of course, heading to Maryland. But it's okay. It's been a wonderful trip. Had a good time to reflect. Got some phone calls in. My family was checking on me to see how I was making out with the drive. But it's really good drive. I don't mind driving too much as long as I'm not stuck in traffic. And thankful for our iPhones that it had me get off of the highway at one point because there was an accident. As long as I'm moving, I am good. So I don't mind, and I actually do love driving a lot. So anyway, it's been a good morning so far. And let's see, I'm about to pull in. Bag of memories, my only luggage. I'm trying to travel like the way I love it. I never really care about the distance.
stress. And all the places I have seen, they all felt like a home. Every day is a new scene, outside my comfort zone. And all the girls are coming.
Hey everybody, so it is the next day. I had such a wonderful time hanging out with my family yesterday in the Maryland area, going to see my new beautiful great niece, baby Rain. It was just such a joy and just warmed my heart just seeing the family grow. Hanging out with my nephew. He's just so happy, and we're just so thankful that she's healthy, and that everything in the birth went well. So had a wonderful time to hang out with her. Even my parents were able to come. So I did quite a bit yesterday with driving. I got back super late last night, but I'm just so thankful that God gave me the strength. He protected me, and I got back with no problem. And of course, I crashed last night. And then today I woke up because I had promised to go get my hair done, and I was taking my mother-in-law with me. And so, but of course, everyone told me that I need to stay home to get some rest. And I said, no, 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 no. I'm going because I made the appointment. I told my mother-in-law that we were going. And so once I give my word to something, it's super hard, to my fault sometimes. It's super hard for me to change plans when I've given anybody my commitment for anything. I'm working on that, but that's just something I believe. Your word is your bond, and that's just how I grew up. But anyway, I didn't listen. As you can tell in my voice, I am kind of tired, but I was still pressing my way. I got up early and I left, got gas, and literally 10 minutes from my house, this is what happens next. So literally I got a flat tire within seconds after hitting whatever that was in the road. So when God tells you to do something, just listen sometimes. Hey everybody, before I close out the video, there's two things I want to share with you. And that is, this week I was blessed to be in the right place at the right time. And I was able to attain tickets to see the new Tamron Hall TV show out of New York City. And so it was just a phenomenal show. So thankful to have been there. She had two wonderful guests on there. Erica Campbell was on there. So gave a book, and just to hear her testimony and her story was just so inspiring. Another beautiful guest was this wonderful family out of Ohio, and the story was based around how breast cancer brought these two families together. The one family adopted the one young lady, and then within a short period of time, the adopted mother developed breast cancer, and then as a result, the adopted mother created this wonderful foundation. And just to hear all the wonderful things that she does in her particular region is just so heart-touching. The story is heart-touching, and actually the story and interview is in the People's Magazine coming out today, October the 7th. So if you have the People's Magazine, if you see it around, definitely pick it up. It's a wonderful story that will definitely inspire you around breast cancer as we're observing it this month and doing all that we can to raise funds. I actually even reached out to the organization and foundation because it just really touched my heart that I want to work with them. So stay tuned because they have agreed to work with me, and I'm excited to do what I can to help support this organization who do so many things for not just women with breast cancer, but all stages of cancer in their particular region. So let's see. Before I transition to the last thing I want to share with you, my different perfumes that I'm wearing every day. I'm actually wearing an oldie but goodie. This is actually, I've talked about this before. It's called Child Perfume, and it's an oil. I've probably have been wearing this and having it in stock for at least 25 years. You can probably just buy it online at this point. There may be a couple like independent perfumeries that may have it, but you can just buy it online. And I've decided to mix it today with Le Labo Rose 31. I do get inspired by attending live concerts that have their full band. There is nothing like the experience. And I'm telling you, I have my top 5 definitely my top 3 performers that I like to visit if I can. If I can see these certain groups every year, I try to. And I will say I am now adding Eric Roberson as my top 5 performers. And I'm putting that in a group with Earth, Wind and Fire and Franklin Beverly and Maze. So to say that and to put him in the lump with that, I'm telling you, that's how much I enjoyed it. I am so thankful to our friends who got us out the house and took us because they knew that we would love it and that we love great music. So that definitely inspired me as well this week, and I wanted to share that with you. And now I'm going to give you a little taste of his music as I close out the video. Thank you guys, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do it right now because I definitely look forward to seeing you in a couple days. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.